This is Module 4, Lesson 34, titled Writing and Graphing Inequalities in Real-World Problems. Two goals this lesson. One, I can describe inequalities in x is less than c or x is greater than c forms, where x is a variable and c is a constant number. Second goal, I can graph inequality results on a number line. Make sure that you take good notes throughout this video and pause the video whenever you need to. Let's start with example number 1. They give us a statement and we have to write an inequality in that x is less than c or x is greater than c form. X, or any variable, is going to be compared to a constant number. A constant number is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, numbers that are always the same amount. So if we look at letter A, Caleb has at least $5. Let's compare Caleb's amount, C, to $5. Let's figure out which symbol we should put in there if it's at least. Now if he has 5, let's say Caleb has 5, does he have at least 5? Yes, he does. Let's say Caleb has less than that. Let's say he has 4. Is 4 at least 5? And the answer would be no. What about something that's larger than 5? What about 6? Is 6 at least 5? Yes. So we need a symbol that's going to tell us that C, the amount of money Caleb has to be larger or the same amount as 5. And so we would say C is greater than or equal to 5. Now we're going to graph the results of what C could be. Okay, we're on this number line here. We're going to show whatever values C could be. Since C could be 5, we're going to put a solid dot on 5. But that's not the only value that could be true. Numbers greater than 5 are also true. So the 6, the 7, and the 8 are also true. But also, we can have parts of dollars. So to represent all the numbers and the parts that are larger than 5, we're going to put an arrow going from that dot, that solid dot, to the right. And all of those numbers on that number line represent the values that C could be. Let's try letter B. It says Tarek has more than $5. This time we're going to compare T to 5. Let's start out with 5. If he has 5, is that more than 5? No. What if he has less? Let's say he has 4. Is 4 more than 5? No. What if he has 6? Is that more than 5? Yes. So we need T to be bigger than 5. But we cannot include 5, so we're only going to put the greater than symbol there. To graph what Tarek can have, since he cannot have 5, but he can have immediately what's to the right of that, we're going to put an open circle this time on the 5. That shows us he cannot have 5. But all the numbers to the right are going to be greater than 5, and there's going to be parts between there. So we're going to draw an arrow from that circle to the right. Next we have Vanessa. She has at most $5. So we're comparing Vanessa's money. I'm going to use a V to 5. Is 5 at most 5? Yes. Is 6 at most 5? No. Is 4 at most 5? Yes. So we need numbers for V that equal 5 and are smaller than 5. So we're going to put that symbol right there. Since we can't include the 5, we put a solid dot on it. Now the numbers to the left of the 5 are correct. The 2, the 3, and the 4. And the parts in between them, because we can have cents or parts of $1. So we're going to draw an arrow going that direction right there. Finally, we have Li Chen has less than 5. I'm going to use a C to represent how much money he has, and a 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. Is 4 less than 5? Yes. Is 6 less than 5? No. So I need symbols that tell me his money has to be smaller than 5. To graph the possible values, we would put an open circle on the 5, and we would draw an arrow to the left. That shows all the values to the left of 5 on the number line, including the parts in between the integers, are true.